At night my waist was 36 inches, but in the morning it was 32. This drink removed bloating in just one night. Bloating is a common digestive problem for millions of people around the world. It isn't a serious problem, but nobody wants to see their stomach become the size of a football after a meal. Luckily, bloating can be resolved with a simple natural drink that can also help you lose 2-4 inches from your waist. The drink works by improving your digestion and contracting your abs. This allows it to remove accumulated food residue as well as fat deposits and gases from your intestines. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: half a banana, half a cup of almond milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed almonds, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Preparation: just mix all the ingredients in a blender and your drink is ready. Consume it half an hour after your dinner, and make sure you're not eating anything after it. Go to bed and rest, and you will notice the results in the morning. Bananas contain numerous vitamins and minerals as well as a fiber called pectin which will improve your digestion and help you feel full for longer. This is why bananas are often a part of many weight loss recipes. Ginger is another natural weight loss ingredient which can reduce your belly fat in no time. It can prevent overeating and improve your energy levels, while also regulating your hormones. Almond milk contains the same minerals found in skimmed milk, but offers more health benefits and can help you lose weight, which is why it's used in the drink. Try the recipe yourself and you will never have to suffer from bloating again.